Hi, Brian Fowler here. Would you like to see an easy way to make $100 to even $1,000 per hour online within the next few weeks? I'm about to demonstrate in this video how to choose a business that you know in advance will be profitable, and then I'm going to demonstrate how to get it started within the next few minutes to be an automated, optimized, and monetized business that can grow to thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars within the next few weeks or months with little or no money spent other than on a domain and only a few hours of easy work invested. And be ready to take notes because you're going to see some awesome money-making power in this video. I'm going to reveal the secret key to making unlimited money on the internet with very little, if any, money invested out of pocket and with a few minutes to a few hours per week invested in your business, and that you can grow it to exponential amounts of income. And I'm going to demonstrate it here in a minute. And I'm also going to show you how to take that business and dominate any market, any niche, even the most competitive markets on the planet. Just like my EasyProfitSecrets.com is just a few months old, and it literally dominates some of the most competitive keywords out there. You can see I'm number 1 out of 1 billion search results for Easy Business to Start and almost 2 billion search results for Easy Business. I'm number 3 with 1.9 billion search results. So without further ado, let's just jump right in. I'm going to start out with Flippa.com. Flippa is one of my favorite research tools because you get to see what makes businesses successful and what makes businesses fail. Most of the websites that are sold on that are offered up on Flippa auction never sell, or they don't make any money because 90%, most of the websites that are offered on this auction have no traffic. They get no traffic. The ones that get automated traffic, that have PageRank, and that get organic traffic, they're the ones that sell for a lot of money. And you can see here, these are ones that are just sold. You just click the just sold. It's free to join to be able to get access to this information. If you aren't logged in, you can't see what the private information about these websites is. But if you're logged in, you can see what keywords, they tell you what keywords they're ranking for, where their money's coming from, where their traffic's coming from, everything. So you've got all of the knowledge of what's working for them to make their business profitable. So you can see here that these websites are selling from anywhere from $2,000 on up. And there's one that just sold even for $200,000. It's called blipit.com. We can take a look at it to see what makes a $200,000 website a $200,000 website. And this is just a news and entertainment website, and the owner basically writes 10 to 20 articles a day, just little articles about the latest headlines. And it gets a lot of traffic. And you can see it's just a nice clean layout with everything's lined up, and good imagery, and it's got lots of ads on the top and all around, and some of the articles probably promote affiliate products. But it makes about $6,000 to $7,000 a month profit, and it gets 920,000 page views per month, or 2.1 million. We can go back to the auction and look at it. It gets 2.1 million page views, 920,000 visits. And so that's what makes this one valuable, is because of the traffic. Now I'm going to show you something here in a minute. I've got a brand new website that I just started that actually it's not getting that much traffic, but I'm just going to show you some statistics real quick, just to give you an idea of what can happen. This website is this website's 2 months old. It's called naturalhealthproducts.com. It's 2 months old, and you can see July and August here. Last month I had 22,000 visits. Or no, last month I had 8,292 visits, and this month I had 14,539 visits so far. And it's just there's still a week to go in the month. And then the page views, 399,000 page views last month, and 668,000 page views this month, and there's still a week to go in August. And so, and actually, it was only 2 weeks of last month in there too. So, in those numbers, but you can see here, my traffic is gradually increasing. These statistics show the the exact traffic, visits, pages, hits, bandwidth, everything, and you can see it's on a gradual increase. There's a little spike a few days ago when I actually bookmarked a few of the articles, and my traffic doubled just those for 2 days, and then it went back to its gradual increase. And so at the beginning of the month, I was, you know, from last month I was in the 400s daily visits. Now and then it went into 500s, into 600s, and now it's in the last couple of days have been in the 700s. And this is without having to do any promotion, without spending a dime on traffic. It's completely free organic traffic. All I did was set it up with the Easy Business Builder system and just turn it on and let it go. And there's a couple of things that I did in addition to that made it really take off, and that's what's making it get 46 page views per visit. Um, some of the people that visit the site spend, actually 2,200 people this month have spent more than an hour on the website, and 1,392 people spent between 30 minutes to an hour on this website. Now that's like Facebook. People just don't spend a whole lot of time on a website. Now let me go back to this other website that I just showed you, the one that just sold for $200,000, blipit.com. If we look at their statistics, they get a lot of traffic. They get 920,000 visitors per month, but they get 2,100,000 page views. So that's a little over 2 page views per visitor. So, when people come to a site when every page looks the same exact same layout, once you've seen 2 pages, then you've seen them all, because they're all the same. Well, that's why I like to mix mine up a little bit. I like to mix up the themes a little bit and mix up the pages a little bit, and I don't want all of the images to be in a little row and just in one little place on the website. So that's why I mix mine up a little bit, and I have images all over. And all of the images on my website are clickable, and are clickable links that go to other websites or other pages on my website or to products, affiliate products. And so every page on this website, or every image on this website, is a clickable button. It's a button that goes wherever I want it to go, and nobody knows where it goes unless they click on it. And it makes it real interesting. And so if people click on an image, it's going to take them somewhere. If they click on a page, it's going to take them to either a product that I own, or an affiliate product, or another website that I own, or another web page. And so if they don't, if they buy that product, I get a commission. If they don't, they're right back on my website to click on another ad or another page or another something, but they still stay on my page. And if they click on pain, then they go to another one of my websites that's on the same network. It's another website, but it's on the same domain, and it looks just a little bit different, but it's kind of the same. It's the same theme, and it has some similar features, but then it's different again, and it's got unique images is what makes people gets people drawn into the content. And so having really good imagery on your website really benefits you. And that's the only thing that takes time on this. The websites themselves can be built within minutes. The only real work is adding images and tagging them and linking them, and it's real easy to do, and it can be real fun. But that's really the only work involved after you install the software that I'm about to demonstrate. Um, let's see. This is just, you can see that I have 3 websites on this one network that are on this domain that I can control from one dashboard on WordPress. Um, I've got and I've also got a forum. This is 5 weeks old, and I've already got 9,176 members in 5 weeks. This is a brand new website, and 9,000 members already in the first 5 weeks of its existence. And so, um, also, and this is another website that this is like 30 minutes work right here. This website I built because, and the reason I chose this was because the other day I was looking on Flippa and I saw this website. That's a different one. That's how to treat hemorrhoids. Um, let's see. Okay, cold sores home remedies from Canada, and that's what it's, cold sores home remedies from Canada.ca is what the domain is. And it's just a simple blog with just a few articles, and this website sold for $14,000 just the other day. And when I saw that, I was like, this is just a simple blog that sold for 14,000. It doesn't hardly have any content. What made it sell for 14,000? Well, it has PageRank of 3, and it's got 2,000 backlinks, and it gets 41,000 visits and 49,000 page views per month. So, okay, 41,000 visits. So I said, okay, because it ranks for 4 different keywords on Google. And so I said, well, I can do that. I can build a website that can take away their ranking. I can beat them on Google for those 4 keywords and steal their traffic and steal their thunder, and I can build the same website that even looks better within an hour. In fact, this has took me 30 minutes to build this website. And it promotes 3 or 4 different products, and all I need to do is add a couple more articles. I actually wrote this article. It's just one article on the whole site right now. I'll add a couple more articles, and eventually it will start being profitable as traffic comes to it. I just built this the day before yesterday, so it hasn't really had a lot of traffic. But as part of this brand new network, it's going to be getting traffic through the network because I also put links from the main website and also the pain website, the natural pain. You can see here I just took a snippet of that article that's on that one, and it links right to that website. If you click on this, it just goes right to that website, and you still stay on on this website. So you're actually building up credibility on my website by staying on this website. As you click around and go other places, you're still on my website. And so that's one little trick that I'm going to show in my training course that I'm just now releasing or about to release. But I'm going to show you how you can build website networks that can run circles around these other websites that sell for tens of thousands of dollars. Now, I just showed you one that little blog that sold for $14,000 and a blog that sold for $200,000. Let's look at a couple more. This one, how to treat hemorrhoids today.com. This is just another simple little blog that sold for $3,000. It just gets 6,500 visitors per month, and it's worth $3,000. My website gets 10 times that, and it's only a few weeks old. And so here's another one, vault9.net. We can take a look at it and see what it actually does. It's just sold for $35,000. And again, it's just a simple little blog that has that basically has entertainment stories on it, and then it has ads around the stories. And so because it's the latest trends in entertainment, it does get a lot of traffic. And this one gets actually 250,000 page views per month from 100,000 visits. So I'm at about a third the traffic right now on my brand new website, and but I get 3 times more page views, but I'm about a third of the traffic. So it's only going to be a matter of a couple months for me to be at this level with that website. And because I can build a new website within minutes on this one, I can actually build it up really rapidly. So I can if I want, I can just add a new site. We can just go in here. I can add a site on anything to do with health, and within just minutes with this system. Let's click on the network admin here, and I'm just going to show you a couple of features here. We can I can just create a new site, and let's just call it. I already know a keyword that gets like a million searches per month, and it's going to be a hard keyword to rank for. But over a period of time, building backlinks on this website will give me enough clout to where I can rank for it. I won't be able to rank for it within the first few weeks, but within a few months I will be able to. And so we're gonna shoot for home remedies. So I'm just gonna go homeremedies.com, or no, it's just home remedies, and it'll be homeremedies.naturalhealthproducts.com, and then the site title, we'll just capitalize it, Home Remedies, and webmaster at Natural Health Products, and I just add the site. Now I've got a brand new website that just needs content, and okay, I've got a plugin on there apparently that doesn't like this new. Okay, I need to delete a plugin that I just added that I didn't realize was having a bad effect on there, and it's not part of the. It's one that I just wanted to test. It's not part of the business builder system, so it's the semi-user extra fields. We're going to deactivate that. That's not part of the Easy Business Builder. I just tested that. So anyway, that's basically what it takes. Let's see if I can visit it now. I may have to delete the whole files on that. Home remedies. I've got home remedies here now. See if I can visit it. Okay, there's my site. I just need to activate my content plugin and choose some keywords that I want to get content for, and then pick a theme, and then it's just like these other sites. I don't even have to write any of the content. I didn't write any of the content for any of these websites except for my main site. I wrote one article on the main site, and that basically just describes what the site's about and links to other pages and sites on the network. So it's just there's just one article that I wrote on this whole network. And then I'm going to show you another network that I just started. It's just a few weeks old. I started it last month actually too. And this one is built with the same software. This is it's got 8 different customizable themes. So you can create sales pages. This is a video sales page. You can create you can promote resale rights products. You can create sales pages for resale rights products or your own products like this very easily within just a few minutes. You can create. I like to create my own headers using a free software called GIMP, just because it makes my website stand out and it makes them completely unique. And you can create really good looking websites just by adding images to your website. And so I like to add a lot of imagery, and that draws people into the content. So I don't have to babysit it, even though I might get 20 articles added a day. Um, I don't have to babysit it and add images to each article if I have images already around the articles and ads around the articles before they're even submitted. So I can auto-publish articles without having to go in and edit them and add images to them that way. And so you can see I've got several websites on this network. This is the only article I wrote on this website. And again, it just basically gets people to, it tells what the site's about and gets them to sign up for the newsletter. And then the rest of the content is submitted through a free service. And so this is a website that I just started. It's already got some content coming in. I've only got 5 minutes in setting this up. So this is just 5 minutes work. Once I have the domain, it just takes 5 minutes to set it up, to pick a title and pick some and create some categories with general topics and activate a couple plugins. One of the plugins creates all of the testimonial and disclaimer pages. It's got all the protection that you need to keep you legal and not liable in case of people trying to target you when you start making money. So it's got medical disclaimer page, privacy policy, terms of use, external links policy, sitemap, testimonial disclaimer, earnings disclaimer, email policy, DCMA notice, disclaimer, anti-spam policy, contact us, and I always put a home link in case I don't have navigation, like if it's a sales page and I want all my navigation at the bottom, I always have a home link at the bottom. So this is just one plugin that creates these pages, and it only takes a couple minutes to set this up. And so this website's 5 minutes work, and then by adding a couple minutes, with just a few more minutes work, I can add a background to the main site, a background to the content area, a background to the header area, and then add a few ads. So this is literally taking that 5 minutes of work and adding about 30 minutes to find some product ads and images and adding a few links. So it still needs some work done on this. This is about 40 minutes work total, and all I need to do now is put some link pages to my other network sites. There's 17 different sites, so I need to have some links to those sites, and then I also need to have some pages that link to affiliate products and my main sites So this is just going to take another 15 or 20 minutes to build those links, and then I've got a real moneymaker website already set up, and I don't have to really babysit it anymore. Once I have it set up, it's just to set it and forget it, just like these other ones that I was just showing you. And I can create websites on any topic and promote any kind of product with these with just a few minutes of installing the software. Now I'm actually going to install the software so you can just see how it works. It just takes a couple minutes to install it. And first of all, we need, let's see, and I'm just going to go real quickly go through and show you some of the possibilities with the themes. These are search engine optimized themes. You can create just about any kind of look that you want. These are completely customizable without having to know any kind of code or anything. And now this isn't one of the themes. This is just an add-on video site, and then this is a gaming site and some things that you can build. You can build social networking sites, and image hosting sites, gaming sites, you name it, you can do it if you have the right kind of hosting. And I'm going to show you in a minute that not just any hosting will work. You need the best hosting, and I'm going to show you how you can get the best hosting for as little as $4 per month. Um, in a minute, I'm going to start a site called For Mother and Baby, and you can see here I just got this domain. It gets 450,000 global monthly searches for the exact term for mother and baby, and I was able to get for motherandbaby.com. So that's a really good find. This has the potential to be a six-figure business within the next few weeks or few months anyway. And so I'm really excited about that. And right now, let's see, I'm going to go to this is another one of my websites that's a few months old that gets 25,000 visits this month and 227,000. This site's worth over $20,000. And let's see. Let me just. I thought I had one set up where I can do an install here. Okay. Yeah, this is a 10-month-old. This is a 10-month-old website that has 80,000 members. Let's see. I'm going to. Okay. I thought I had. Okay. This is just the AdSense that I added to that website just a few minutes ago. This is showing the value of naturalhealthproducts.com as being valued at $1,776 estimated worth right now. But you can see that the data that they're using is old, because this was back when I was getting 359 daily visits. And now I'm up to about 700 visits, so I'm worth at least twice that. And let's see. And then this is a tool. Let's see. This is a tool that I can just plug in a domain and hit go and build 2,500 backlinks within an hour. And that's a pretty cool tool that I don't have to do anything with, and I'll share that with you in the next video, I believe. So I'm going to actually install this Easy Business Builder if I can find my. Okay. This is a new Arvix account, and right now I don't even have WordPress or anything installed. So the first thing I need to do, you need an Arvix hosting account, and if you use the link below, you can get for as little as $4 a month. You can get a personal class that has a lot of features that other hosts don't even have, even charging $40 to $50 a month. And the personal class, the basic website, has all of the features as the pro class. It's just limited to 6 domains. But what I'm going to show you, you don't even want 6 domains, because you want to be able to just once they grow so big, you want to be able to just flip them, and you don't want to have to move a big site, because what I'm going to show you will actually create a huge site with a lot of content, and you don't want to have to move that. So I recommend just getting the cheapest $4 a month account and set up one domain on each account, and it has all of the features. It has unlimited subdomains, unlimited other things, and it's got streaming video, MPEG-4 technology. It's got interactive technology for gaming and social networking, and it creates all of those. It even has the software. It has a lot of free software that I'm going to show you here in a second. Okay, I'm in my control panel, and you can actually. I'll just show you real quick. The software that's available with this hosting account, excuse me, will allow you to create image galleries, wikis, social networking, ad management, gaming site. It's got several gaming programs, and e-commerce software. All the software is free that's on here, and they've got several video sites that you just it's just one-click install, I mean, it's just one-click install and you've got a video site. And I'll actually show you. I think I already showed you one. I'll just go back and show it again. If this is one that I set up, the how-to videos I set up a couple weeks ago, and I've got several videos on there now. You can see here, and you can put ads just about anywhere on it, and it's pretty cool software. And that software is 100% free with a hosting account at RVikes. And if you click the link below the video, you can get a free domain for life. Okay, and I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to get out of here because I got to install WordPress on here. So we're just going to go down here to Fantastico Deluxe. We're going to install WordPress on the main domain. And let's see, I'm just going to go here. Let's see. Oh, I'm on the wrong one. This is for mother and baby. Then I've just already installed that, and I want to go to okay. Well, I was going to install it on a different site as well. I think that um, okay. This is for mother and baby. I've already just installed. Um, okay, this is ushare1.com. Okay, I can install WordPress Fantastico. Okay, I did have for mother and baby on here. I just started to build it on here, and then I decided I needed to use the subdomains, so I moved it to its own hosting account. So I'm actually going to delete this one here in a minute. But right now we're going to do a new installation, and we're not going to install it in a subdirectory. We want it on the main domain. And so all I need to do is put in a username and password, admin nickname, and a title. The title is going to be ushare1. I think I'm just going to go ushare1, or I can spell it YOU share. I might do that. I can always change it and I'll just do the description later. So I just need to put in a username and password. I'm going to pause real quick. Okay, it just took, once I did that, I just click finish button and we're installed already. And it only takes only takes a minute to install that. I mean, it only takes a second to install that. And so what we're going to do now that I've installed WordPress, now I'm going to go to my file manager, and we're just going to upload a file. This is the Easy Business Builder system that we're going to install, and basically it's going to install 8 search engine optimized customizable themes and about 30 different software applications that will build our business on autopilot for us pretty much. So I'm just going to browse on my computer here for the file. We'll go to desktop, and it's going to be, let's see, Easy Business Builder Developers is what I want. And then we're going to, it's the zip file is what we're going to upload. Oh, no, we want to open it. We want to open it. We want to unzip the Easy Business Builder Developer, and we want to upload a zip file called public HTML. And then it's got a README license with it, but we're going to upload the public-HTML, and it's just taking a minute to upload. So while that's uploading, I'm going to go back to for mother and baby. .com. Let's see. I'm going to log out of this one. Okay, I'm in the wrong. Let's see. I've got to get over to a different server. Okay, here it is. Okay, now I've got, on this one, I've already got For Mother and Baby installed. I've got WordPress installed on For Mother and Baby. And we can see it's on the main domain. And so what we're going to do now is make sure that we have our file uploaded in our file manager. So once our file is uploaded, we want to make sure that we upload this on the main domain. Without, you don't want to be inside your WordPress log, and I might have done that on this other one. Let's see where we're at. Yep. I actually screwed up on this one. So let me stop this one. I'm just going to X out of this. Okay, when we opened this up, it opened up into let's see. Okay, so this was a hosting account that I had some other stuff on already, and I haven't deleted it all. But I've just installed WordPress on here, and I don't want to install that file on this. So we want to go up one level to where we see our public HTML. Let's see, what are we doing here? Let's try this again. When it opens up, okay, we want to go up one level so that we see our public HTML file. We want to see this unopened. And that's where we want to upload our file. And then it takes a few minutes to upload. And so while that's doing that, I'm going to go back over here to For Mother and Baby. And I've already, let's see, I think I'm in my, okay. And you can see I've uploaded that. Now all I've got to do is click on that and click extract. And it will and then just extract the file. And it will automatically install all the themes and software where it needs to go. And now we can go and open up our public HTML, and then we'll see our WordPress install, and then we can click on our content. We can see that we've got all of our themes are installed. We can go up again, and we can see all of our plugins are installed. So it's just that fast. That's all it takes. And now what I'm going to do in the next video, I'm going to show you actually how to activate the plugins and start generating content and traffic almost immediately. Let me show you something. This you will start once you start getting once you activate the content and the content starts getting published, you'll automatically start getting traffic to your website that very day, probably, if it gets indexed on that day. And I've also got indexing software that will help you speed up the process. So we're running a little bit long in this video, so I'm just gonna show you some of the things that this actually does. I want to just show you some of the features of the software real quick, and then you can click the link below to to get to access it and to see the next video where we're going to actually activate the plugins and the theme and demonstrate the themes. So some of the tools that are included give you the ability to create or allow members to create unlimited websites on a single domain. It has all of your SEO, search engine optimization, and webmaster tools. It's got 4-level membership software that works on unlimited websites on a single domain. And it also gives you the ability to create unlimited websites, blogs, sales pages, squeeze pages, lead capture pages on multiple themes, all on a single domain. And you can make a page or post buttons on your site navigation that go directly to affiliate websites, lead capture, or product sales pages. But not only do they just redirect you to those, but it also search engine optimizes the page on your site so that the search engine robots will see content. You can have search engine optimized content on your site that your visitors will never see. They'll just go to a redirect to a sales page. They won't see the search engine optimized content that's there that helps rank your website higher in the search engines. And then it's also got podcasting and live event support, privacy policy, legal disclaimer pages with just a click of the mouse, widget control. You can have dynamic widgets where you actually can change ads and things like that, and place ads anywhere on your page. iframe integration, Google Analytics injector, event countdown timer. You can redirect to any page or website after a member logs in. Individual site and network-wide autoresponders built in. Easy newsletters. Send any post or text or HTML message to all members or subscribers network-wide or on individual sites. So you can have individual autoresponders and newsletters on every site on the network or just on the whole network. You've got affiliate link tracker and cloakers. You can cloak your affiliate links so that the search engines don't see it as an affiliate promotion site. It's got bookmarking and social media marketing integrated. Automatic translation to over 50 browser languages, actually 60 languages now. Mobile theme integration for iPods and handheld devices. Most websites can't be seen on an iPod, so you need to redirect. You need to either create a custom website for those or have software integrated that basically transforms your website so that it can be read on those handheld devices, and that's included. Automated content generation plugin, automated related post linking, multi-site search engine sitemap feeds, simple surveys, plus many more features and bonuses such as link building software, webmaster online SEO tools, website graphics packages. I've got a package of over 300 website images and graphics for you to get started right away building your websites. And the cool thing is, this isn't going to cost you an arm and a leg. It's going to cost like a dinner. And you can get started. You can get hosting and a domain for as little as $4 a month. So click the link below to get started and see the next video in which I'm actually going to go in and start building this new awesome website for motherandbaby.com. So you don't want to miss it. Click the link below and get in now.